gentlemen, good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I'd like to show you this beautiful 2013 Chevrolet Camaro convertible Hot Wheels edition. Now, this beautiful car has only 391 miles on it. This car is brand new inside, outside, under the hood. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. Still in the wrapper, as they would like to say, with only 300 miles. They only made 1,500 of these Hot Wheels edition cars, and this car, 6.22 SS, has every option, and it also has a 6-speed manual transmission. It is one of 57 produced with a 6-speed manual transmission, so that even makes it more scarce. This car is gorgeous. Kinetic blue, black interior, Hot Wheels badging, Hot Wheels embroidered into the seats. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Even has a nice little Hot Wheels plaque here, sign for your car shows. And it does have that Hot Wheels stripe on it. Awesome car. Like brand new, only 390 miles. Power steering, brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes with the big calipers, 6-speed manual transmission, the factory cowl induction hood, the factory black Hot Wheels wheels, chin spoiler, leather, heads-up display, heated seats. Nav, power top. What a beauty. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com, KINIONauto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call today, and let's put this beautiful Hot Wheels Camaro convertible in your garage. I'll talk to you guys later.